How would you like full-up ANSI 748 earned value capabilities without any additional definition, setup, or need for other products or support groups? Just resource load your integrated master schedule, and you're ready to earn value immediately after contract award. Let's see how that's possible, starting with the compliance turnaround spreadsheet for an EVM task order. By default, VisiSuite assumes that each unique lowest level WBS element is a separate control account. VisiSuite also considers every criteria to be a measurable work package that earns value in line with how the government defines them both. Therefore, when you complete an IMP, you've already defined a full set of EVM parameters. This NextCom FAA task order rolls lower-level WBS elements up to level 5 to reduce the number of control accounts. Here is the additional contract data you can define as well. Color coding identifies standard ANSI requirements versus unique FAA requirements. Now I'll open the HPRDS task order. Notice that this VisiSuite dialog contains a built-in responsibility assignment matrix. The HPRDS program uses a 455 fiscal calendar. It also employs forward pricing rates. All the advanced features that ANSI and the Earned Value Management Guide specify are included. Yet you can keep it very simple and be in the EVM business on day one. Now for the best feature of all. Posting progress is simple and intuitive, even with EVM. This DDSR program uses a simple-to-implement, uncoupled approach. I'm opening the production system schedule to post the current period's progress and actuals. The current period is highlighted in the Gantt area, and progress is clearly visible there as well. I'll skip down to the first unstatus task and open VisiSuite's Post Progress tool. First off, VisiSuite updates our resource rates with the latest rates for this period. The Post Progress tool provides lots of information, but it's simple to use. You simply click the big green button and answer the questions. Here I'm changing the actual finish date because this task finished later than scheduled. Next, I enter the actual hours used by the resources. I'll conveniently enter them in 40-hour weekly increments. Notice all EVM values are displayed even at the individual task level. 320 hours were originally planned. 200 hours have been reported to date. I'll deliberately update the total hours to 320. The dialog recalculates all the standard EVM parameters for this task, which now has a cost performance index of 1. Now I'll do another one, but this one runs over budget and shows a 1.348 CPI. It's that easy. The next object is the work package milestone. Therefore, VisiSuite summarizes both of the tasks we just statused, and since both are finished, it automatically finishes out the work package. I'll post progress for the last task scheduled. Now I'll save, mark for integration, and let VisiSuite download the updated status into its EVM database tables. Next, I'll integrate the updated production schedule, then quickly view any impact on the program's milestones. No problems here, so I'll generate the performance reports for this period. I'll start with the standard summary level cost performance report, or CPR. Notice that VisiSuite generates it by directly programming Excel. Therefore, we can easily extend it with any additional required calculations. Here's Format 1, complete with all the DID 81466 required data fields. The top part is contract information. The body contains standard EVM values summarized for each control account, including the period, program to date, and projected values at completion. This program is currently in great shape, with positive variances across the board and a projected positive variance at completion. I'll also generate a combined Format 3 and 4 report which I love but which is seldom required. The top half, Format 3, shows to date and the remaining baseline budget values. The lower half, Format 4, calculates equivalent persons and shows a rough staffing performance. VisiSuite will produce standard S-curve profiles for any specific control account, but I'll just generate one for the entire program. This S-curve graphically shows the same good news that the CPR reported. Earnings ahead of baseline, actual cost below, and a projected on-time, under-budget completion. The last report is a critical labor and materials audit report. Since this program is not interfaced to the company's financials, this critical audit trail provides the reported hours and dollars for period and program to date to support the required reconciliation with the official accounting values. Now let's look at B555CW, which exemplifies a task order that's been interfaced with the company's accounting system. In this case, all actual hours and expense dollars are imported into VisiSuite from the company's accounting system. Again, I'll open a single engineering schedule element. I'll employ the very same post-progress tool, but this time it will alert me that an export file is available from accounting. Now it gets really easy for the schedule owner. VisiSuite assumes that these tasks may in fact have started and completed per the accounting actuals reported, but it asks you to confirm each one. If you're unsure, simply answer no. Check it out, then re-import and answer correctly. If accounting finds errors, they simply correct them and export a new file. VisiSuite then makes any necessary adjustments. Here are all the possible ways that progress posting can be done in VisiSuite. Schedule posting only for programs not doing EVM or only doing earned schedule management. Uncoupled cost and schedule, which I demoed with DDSR. VisiSuite interface with accounting, which I also demoed with B555CW. You can also post labor hours or timesheets in VisiSuite and have it export to accounting. VisiSuite will even allow you to post actuals at summary levels using a turnaround spreadsheet which prorates ACWP to individual tasks based on their relative baseline values. VisiSuite provides a uniquely simple and friendly entry into EVM, and we can bundle professional services to help you secure ANSI certification. Thank you for watching this video.